Good morning, Group C and D students. How are you doing? We're back to phonogram today. Again. Today's phonograms, look at the board. It's A-W-A-U. Is it very confusing to you? We did O-W-O-U before, remember? And today there are another two. It's A-W-A-U. Again, they sound the same, but different spelling. And the sound of these two spelling words are like the word dog or anything like okay? So you see that it's complicated. For short vowel sound we can even use these two spelling letter to express the sound So you can imagine phonograms actually is working for words which is not easy to remember. I mean, their spelling is complicated. Okay, so in order for you to have this task slightly easier, I wrote their pattern, if not rule, the pattern on the board for you. Okay, I'm only explaining one syllable word, which means one vowel sound word. Okay, so for one vowel, the vowel is in this middle of this column, and then you know it's not just the A, it's A-W-A-U or A-U-A-W. It depends. Okay, they all start with A and then combined with another vowel. So you will see this kind of pattern. Okay, the basic one. First, the shortest is 3 vowel sound. For this part, basic you have a consonant at the beginning. And then you have either A-W or A-U. That sound, okay? And then you have another 2 patterns for 4-letter words. One is, there are 2 consonants. It's a consonant blend, okay? And then you have the vowel at the end. And one more pattern for 4-letter word is 1 consonant at the beginning and another consonant at the end. So it's sandwiched by 2 consonants, okay? There are 2 more patterns for 5-letter words here. 5-letter words, you may have 2 consonants before the vowel sound and 1 more at the end. Or 1 consonant at the beginning, 2 at the end. So this gives you quite enough clues for today's spelling dictation. Okay? But this applies only to 1 syllable word, 1 vowel. You may have, I think you will have another half of the spelling which is actually composed of 2 vowels. So you'll hear 2 vowel sounds, which means 2 syllable sounds too. Okay? But don't worry, they're not difficult. They are words that basically you hear before. It's kind of like a side words too. Alright? Okay, let's take the challenge. I'll give you enough hint. Alright? Okay. Now you get the same task sheet. Okay, the task sheet is more like last time. You have a column to write down all the words. And after that, you checked out with my answer sheet. And later you correct them in the middle of the column. And finally, when you still think that you have some rhyming words to write for the word that you not mistakenly spelled, you are welcome to write down the rhyming words too, because that shows your understanding and your strength. Like you're a person who are good at making rhyming words, which also means you have a large vocabulary. Okay? So let's try to take the challenge. Alright? Okay, let's go. Starting from number 1, 3-letter word. Okay? Saw. 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 Number 2, jaw. 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 Number 3, claw. or claw. Claw. Number 4, hawk. Hawk. My hint is hawk is a kind of eagle. Okay? Hawk. Number 5, yawn. 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 If you are asked to act out yawn, what are you going to do? It's like you're tired, you're going to do, oh, that's yawn. Yawning. Okay, that's yawn. Number 6. Number 6. Shaw. 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 I hope you hear the last consonant. Oh. Shaw is for women. 7. Crawl. 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 Who does crawl? Baby does crawl. Number 8. Fault. 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 Sentence to hint. I'm sorry, but it's not my fault. That's your fault. Okay? It's a sight word for you. Number 9. Cause. 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 It's a 5-letter word. Cause means reason. Number 10. Saucer. 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 Do you need a saucer to drink tea? If you use a mug cup, you no longer need a saucer. It's not for you anymore. Okay. Number 11. Author. 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 When you read a book, you like to know who wrote the book. Are you interested in knowing author all the time? Every time you read a book. Number 12. 6-letter word too. Autumn. 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 It's one of the 4 seasons of the year. Okay, sight word too. Number 13. 6-letter too. Dryer. 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 You have your dryer in our classroom, working dryer. And you have your dryer at home, I'm sure. Maybe in your bedroom. Okay, sight word too. Number 14, here is a 7-letter word. Awesome. Awesome. When you think something is great, you do this and say, awesome. Okay? If you can get down every word correct today, I'm going to say awesome to you tomorrow. Last one, number 15. Daughter. 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 English people say daughter. Americans say daughter. I'm using the universal North American accent, which is in the middle. Daughter. Okay? It means if you're a girl, you're a daughter to your dad. Okay? So it's a side word too, but it's an 8-letter word. Alright, these are my hints. If you think they're not enough, I would love to give you more if you write me a message. All right, so we are going to read each word twice again. All right, from number one. One, saw, saw. Number two, jaw, jaw. Number three, four-letter word, claw, claw. Number four, four-letter word, hawk, hawk. Number five, four-letter word, yawn, yawn. Number six, from 6 to 9, five-letter word. Number 6, shawl, shawl. 7, crawl, crawl. 8, fault, fault. 9, cause, cause. From 10 to 15, they are two-syllable words. Number 10, saucer, saucer. It's also six-letter word. Number 11, author, author, six-letter word. Number 12, autumn, autumn. Number 13, again, six-letter word, dryer, dryer. 14, 6, 7-letter word, awesome, awesome. 15, daughter, daughter. That's the 8-letter word. Okay, so much for today's spelling dictation. Please check it out from my answer sheet later. Correct them carefully. Rewrite them in your own notepad. Up to you. And if you find any space to do writing word, do it please. I would appreciate. And I look forward to seeing your result. This is our last few phonogram lesson. Okay, good luck. Goodbye. See you next time.